Hey everybody, this is the Residence Inn in Anaheim, California. It is within walking distance of Disneyland, and today we are going to check the room out. Oh, this lobby's beautiful with huge high ceilings. Very cool. Breakfast area is over there. We'll check that out later. Okay, this is room 738 in a Residence Inn in Anaheim, California, within walking distance of Disneyland. Oh, this is beautiful. Awesome. Here's a nice, whoops, sorry guys. This is a nice bar area. Full-size fridge right here, and then lots of storage in the kitchen. There's even a strainer under the sink, recycle and garbage, and stuff for the dishwasher. And then silverware, can openers, knives, awesome stuff, guys. Even pots and pans. It's like having your own little apartment. And then here is the tiny little dishwasher. Sink, little stove, microwave, toaster, and a coffee pot. Here's a little area for phones with 2 USBs and 2 plugs. Now this couch here turns into a bed. I will show you, pull that out later and show you guys. Okay, and this is what the couch bed looks like when it's pulled out. So TV in here. And then this room is actually a park view room, and you can see it's very, very close to the park. This over here is Guardians of the Galaxy, and that is the back of Cars. And over there is the Ferris wheel, and that is the Incredicoaster. Okay, there's another couple USBs there and 2 more plugs. This in here gets stuck. A little bit of space there and a couple drawers. Okay, this is a separate room. There's the door, so it's a pocket door. It slides in, pocket door. Okay. And then another TV. 3 drawers here. These are 2 queen beds. A couple more USBs here and 2 more plugs. Full-size mirror in the door. This is another pocket door. Okay, nice big bathroom, beautiful window with the makeup light behind it. Pretty standard toilet. All the toiletries are down here underneath. And then this is a cool shower. It is no bathtub, but it's got a place to shave your legs. And it is nice and big. It's hard to get like a full view of it. Let me try backing up. So nice big shower. So that is our room here right across the street from the back of California Adventure, the Residence Inn Anaheim. Okay, we're gonna take a look at the breakfast room. It's quite extensive at this hotel. Here's the little water station that they have 24 hours. This is kind of nice over here. Water bottle filling station. Ice machine and a water bottle filling station. That's a little different than normal. Can you see that? Nice. Okay, back to the breakfast room.
Alright, this way.
Alright, we're here. There is a coffee bar that's also here 24/7, and there's also hot chocolate here. Here is the breakfast room. It's, like I said before, quite extensive. extensive. There are 4 waffle machines on either side of the room. And then along this wall is a toast and bagel toaster. There's cereal, oatmeal, and then over here is yogurt, fruit, and boiled eggs. This one is another set of waffles over here. And then on the same thing on this side, oatmeal, yogurt, fruit. Different kinds of cereal. And then down in the middle, you've got the hot breakfast. So scrambled eggs, pork sausage. Oh boy, that went fast. Oh, what? Potatoes. Now, on the side here, it's where you'll find juice and milk and a specialty coffee machine, iced or hot coffee. They have oatmeal and water, and then over here, milk, different kinds of milk and juice. As you can see, the places to sit here are expansive, which is great because usually you can't find a place to sit, but there's a lot of room. We didn't have any trouble this morning with the amount of people here to find a place to sit. Here, there is like a lounge area, the bar, kind of more office-y for business stuff. The lobby up here is so big, the roof is so tall. There's some more places to sit for lounge. And over here is the marketplace where you can buy snacks and things. All right, here's the exercise room. Open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And it looks rather large. Oh, it's big and spacious. There's not a ton. There's the little water machine, towels, earbuds. This is a leg machine. They do have a few machines, which is good. Probably just like a, one for each. There is a nice big space for like yoga and stuff. Small mirror. 1 bike, 2 bikes. I don't know what that is actually. Yeah, 2 bikes, 1 recumbent bike, 1 regular bike, 2 ellipticals, and 3 treadmills. So it is a big room though, just not a lot in here. Okay, this is a cool pool area. It's on the 6th floor, up on the roof. And this is the first pool that I've seen at the first that I've seen at a residence with a splash pad. So here's the pool. I'm sorry, this is the hot tub. Over here is the lounge area with the fire pits at night. It's a pretty good lounge area. Lots of seating. Here's the splash pad. We'll have little sister run through that later to show you in more detail. Lots of lounge seating around the pool. The pool is just a big square, so nothing crazy, but it is quite large. And then there are towel racks on either side of the swimming pool. And they have little cabanas over here that are fun. The problem with the cabanas is that at this time of day, it's evening time. The sun's right in your eyes, but still pretty good. Here's something kind of cool back here is a speaker playing music right in the cabanas. How fun is that?